How to add apps to Slack. So to start, we'll have to open our Slack account. To do that, we can either open our account through browser or by simply opening Slack application. Once we're here on our account, all we need to do is to go on the left part of the screen and then at the bottom, tap on this Add Apps option. After that, it will show you all the apps that you can add to your Slack account. So as an example, I'm gonna add the Zoom application. To do that, we'll have to tap on this add option. So in here, what we need to do is to tap on this add to Slack option. And then after that, you will be given two choices. As for me, I'm just gonna select this Zoom for yourself. I'll just have to tap on this add now option. And then after that, in here, we'll have to scroll down and tap on this allow option. And then after that, we'll have to tap again on this allow option. And then in here, as you can see, it says that the Zoom application is now installed on my Slack account. So what we need to do is to go back on my Slack account and then tap on this home option. And then in here, as you can see, I now have the Zoom app. So that's how easy we can add apps to Slack. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!